Hi guys, today we are discussed about the line command in Catia V5 in the SAP generative design, and it is helps to making the surface design for all the surface modeling command for modeling and SAP designing. So it is situated this command like just 1 minute. I will show. This is the line command, just I am giving an arrow mark. Okay, and in this command this is the line, and the type of lines are these are the type of line. First is the point to point, second is the pointed directions, and third is the angle and normal to curve, and then tangent to curve, and then normal to surface, and bisecting. Okay, these are the command of line types, and we are study this type of line types are how to use. So I am making all the things by the one by one by the examples and how to create. Okay, and what is the features are using. So that we are go to the first point to point, that is selecting the point to point. It is first required for the point 1, and the second is the point 2. Okay, we are creating the point by the right click in this options. We are options are presented by the creating point, create the midpoint, create the end point, and create the intersections, and create the projections. These are the options you can create the point. Okay, and the previous video I will show the all the option to create the points in Catia B5. So I simple right click and go to the create point. Okay, I will just go to the coordinate and given the coordinate value of the 0 0, and after that we will go to the next point to create the another point. I go to the y value, that is 50. Okay, and after giving the 2 points, and it is automatic support, and you can also give the supportive element like planes. I will given the this type of, and otherwise it is taken from the default planes. Yeah. Okay, and after that into the start, the 2 points value are creating, that is the start point means here the start point. Okay, just I'm putting the value of 10 mm. Okay, then preview, it is the 10 mm, and the end point is this value, and also you can given the value of an required element. Okay, just I am putting the 50, then preview. Okay, and also you can give the up to which element, yeah, up to plane you can selecting it. Okay, after that it is the length of and limitations, and after that the length type, it is the length we are selecting. Okay, and also infinity of construction line also creating at the point of starting of the line. Okay, means it is the infinity start point. In this side the start point is here, and it is the infinity of the line. Okay, that is type of axis which is infinity. You are required the an axis type of an object, and in this case you can using the infinity of the start point of an line. And second is also two start and end point of the line, also you are creating the infinity lines, and another option is infinity at the only end point of the line. Okay, this is the options of and next option is mirror extend. Also you can mirror it by the extending the opposite side. Okay, this is the preview. Okay, then okay, it is creating by the point to point, and you can extend by as per your requirement by the given the dimensions and infinite lines and mirror to extend also. Okay, now go to the second options for the example point direction. Okay, first selecting the point direction in this object by the this object is enable the automatic type of change, means you can selecting the any object, it in automatic available options are available, commands are available, you can changing it, but you are not changing it, you just it is can click here for the disable. Okay, and it is when the enables it is the green, when the disable is the red, means not changing. By the when you not changing, it is not change. If you enable, it is automatic changing. Okay, just clicking, I am just clicking the this point, automatic point direction selection, and also I will given the line, it is automatic change. Okay, I will go to the first point direction, then click, that is the not changing of the line type point direction, then go to the which direction we are creating, means and supporting element are there. Okay, yeah, if you are selecting the xyz direction, means which direction you are creating, xyz, means w is a z, so I will creating the z direction, so just click it, z direction. Okay, then give same dimension are given here, which type of the which type of value is required for the line length. Okay, I will just putting the default value, or given the -10, just double click it, and it is the same length type of options are available, you are can creating the reverse directions. Okay, it is preview, then okay. Second, no second, not second, then third, that is the option to angle to the normal curve, means if one creating the direction of just I will creating, then sketch. Okay, I will creating a spline, this type of spline you are creating. Okay, then go to the out of the sketch and go to the line command, then using the angle to the normal curve, creating selecting the curve. Okay, support at the default plane are selecting, then point is selecting the this point are required for the normal angle normal to the curve. And here the we can put the value of for direction of angle, that is means we can, if you given the 45 degree. Okay, 45 degree, and this is the angle of 45 degree of the point and these directions. So and also given the start of end point value is this side is the 10 mm and other side is the 61 mm. Okay, and the same thing is here for up to which element you are required for the extent, and here the length type is the same, and mirror extent also here. Okay, same type of, and geometry support is also given the surface and other side, and other option is the normal to curve also, means this curve is perpendicular to the this line. Okay, automatic, and reverse direction this side. Okay, also it is creating the reverse direction. Okay, after that go to the next option, that is the tangent to curve. For selecting tangent to curve, first we are selecting that curve, means this surface this curve, and go to the supportive element 2, like this point. Yeah, element 2 means another curve also, you can selecting it. Okay, by the dragging this line to the other side, and also you can given the putting the value of this element, and also mirror the extent for the two sides of the extending items. So you can reverse direction also, then okay. Okay, then to the normal to the surface, for the normal to surface we are required and surface, so go to the extrude. Okay, just putting this value to the extrude amount of this. Okay, and creating a point. Okay, For these options we are go to the on surface. This is the surface I required in this point, and after that we are creating it is normal to the surface means it is the perpendicular to the this surface. Okay, and also these options are available, and also infinity and mirror extend also. Okay, and reverse direction also available in preview. Then okay, by the creating this, and after that then the line command is also by the bisecting. Okay, for bisecting, first line is here and second line is here. Sorry, second line is okay, point is here. So it is first is the it is intersecting creating by the uh, mirror extend also. Okay, and as per the requirement you can selecting it, and reverse direction next solution by the brown orange color is presenting. Okay, you are creating only this type of line here, and also you are same remodification. Yeah, for the mirror extend also you can creating this line for the this line for the intersecting bisecting line. Okay, this is the totally type of line types in the Catia B5 for modeling of surface in generative set design for the critical surfacing, and by the closed volumes it is more required for creating the boundaries intersecting for the n element. So it is required for all the options, so it is required for no for right type of lines. So thank you to all for watching my video. uh, Please continuously watch and subscribe my channels. Thank you.